The purpose of this video is to raise awareness of scamming. Scamming is the illegal practice of deliberately misdiagnosing errors and/or issues with individuals' computers in order to convince those individuals to pay, often large sums of money, for software and services that they don't need. This video in no way focuses on specific ethnic, religious, political or social groups or individuals. No offence is intended. Scamming is illegal, no matter who does it and where in the world they do it. Hopefully, by watching this video, potential victims of scamming can avoid the time, cost and embarrassment of being lied to and taken advantage of. Thank you for understanding, and please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, Devin here. We've got another fake pop-up, fake blue screen of death pop-up, which has a random IP address up here that's not even mine. This is a pretty typical pop-up. I'm hoping I haven't already called this pop-up. I checked the list, and it doesn't appear I or anybody else has called this number, so it doesn't mean anything, but hopefully it won't be a different company. So this is fake blue screen death pop-up. What's funny about it, it's not even blue, it's gray. Blue screen death pop-ups don't show up in your browser, they just kind of show up on your they basically just take, once you get one, you know when you got one. You can't use your computer or anything, it's just a blue screen, a bunch of text. I can put a picture of one up here, and that's pretty much it. And you have to restart your computer and hope that it comes back on. So anyway, it's lying, saying that something's trying to access registry.dll and that Windows Defender error code. I'm using Komodo anyway, and stuff like that doesn't make sense. So we're gonna give this scam company a call and there seem to be many companies operating under this number.
This call may be monitored or recorded.
Yes, that was a completely different company when we called. So this is a completely different company.
Help and support desk. This is Finley. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm having some issues with my computer. I just got a pop-up that says blue screen of death, DLL registry setting has detected the error code 0x840-201.
Can you repeat that error code message number for me so I can input it in our database?
0x840-201.
401. Okay, give me 1 second here.
Okay.
Sir, are you the primary account holder on this computer?
Yeah.
Okay. 1 second. Alright, sir, I have inputted that error code. What it tells me is that you have a malware infection on your computer. Okay, this specific type of malware that you have is a keylogger.
Okay.
That means it tracks the movement of your keyboard. Okay, that can eventually be developed into a pattern that can be encrypted by anybody trying to gain access to your personal information. Do you do any online shopping or banking on this computer?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Unfortunately, today that is not good because, like I said, you have a keylogger malware infection on your computer. Now, what I can do here at Microsoft is I'm a level 2 diagnostic technician. I can run a diagnostic test on your computer to determine the exact nature of this infection. Hopefully it's just a settings issue, so I can resolve it right away. If not, you may have to get an antivirus and a data retrieval to get back any information that was... Let's see here. Yep. There appears to be data that has been... Let's see here. Well, not yet, but it is. Okay. It could be, sir. But
Okay.
you might want to be on the safe side and do a data retrieval nonetheless. Is there a Staples, Office Max, or Best Buy in your area?
No, there's not.
Sir?
No, there's not.
Okay, well, we here at Microsoft are affiliated with Best Buy, Staples, or Office Max. We can set you up with an appointment. It'll take 5 to 7 business days. It is a little expensive. It's going to run you about $250 for the data retrieval, as well as an additional $100 for the antivirus, as well as in-store installation fee. So it's going to run you about $375. There is another option, another cheaper option. We can do a remote setup for you. What we do here at Microsoft saves you time and money. It all depends on what you want to do. Like I said, hopefully it's just a settings issue and I can get this resolved right away. If not, you definitely do need the antivirus as well as the data retrieval.
I guess we should do the remote then. What do you think?
I would go with us, sir. It saves you a lot of time and money.
Okay.
Just all depends on what you want to do. Let's get you set up right now so I can create a profile for you and determine the exact nature of this issue. Can I get your first name?
Richard.
Richard, can I get your last name?
Tar, T-A-R-R.
Richard Tar.
This guy's a pathetic scammer.
1 second here. All right, Richard. I'm going to need you to do me a favor. I'm going to need you to locate the space bar on your keyboard.
Okay. Yeah, I see that.
Okay. 2 keys to the left of that. 2 keys to the left of that is a Microsoft key button. I need you to hold down that button and press the letter R while holding it and then release both buttons. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that. It says, type the name of program resource and Windows will open it for you.
Okay. In that box, I need you to type the letter H.
Okay.
Another H.
Okay.
Press the space bar and type another H. So you have HH space H.
Yep. It says HTML.
Okay, go ahead and click OK.
Is that right?
Okay, what does it say? What does it say? Don't X out of that page. What does it say in HTML page?
It just says error loading page, HTML help.
Does it say this page can't be displayed?
Yeah, that's what it says.
Okay, unfortunately, what that tells me is this is a very serious malware infection. It's trying to combat my diagnostic test. It doesn't want me to figure out what the problem is and fix it. So we're going to have to run this diagnostic test a different way. Can you go ahead and locate the yellow question mark in the top left-hand corner of that page that appeared?
Yeah, I see that.
Click it.
Okay.
Now press jump to URL.
Okay, it says URL.
Okay, in that box, I need you to type this for me. Are you ready?
Yep.
www. Dot M as in Mike.
Okay.
S as in Sam.
Okay.
Help. HELP.
Okay.
Dot M as in Mike. E as in elephant. That stands for Microsoft Enterprise. That's who we are.
So mshelp.me.
Yes. Click OK.
Okay. Okay. It says type the connection code.
Okay. Can you go ahead and type this connection code for me?
I guess I can.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
They're numbers. They're all numbers. 3.
Yep.
8.
Yep.
2.
Yep.
0.
Yep.
5.
Yep.
5.
Yep.
Step 2. Go ahead and check the box that appears. Step 3. Press connect. All right. What I'm trying to do. A box will appear. Go ahead and click run. Another box will appear. Click run on that box, and then a third box will appear. Go ahead and click yes on the third box.
Okay.
What this is doing is it's trying to detect a platform. If you want to think about it in terms of, I'll be your personal driver right now, okay? I'm going to be running the diagnostic test on your computer. Okay. It's a remote detection system here at Microsoft. Okay, I'll be in control of your computer for a little bit, run the diagnostic test, and give you some options as what you can do to fix your computer so we can get it for you fixed right away. Like I said, the Best Buy, Staples, and Office Max route will take you 5 to 7 business days. It's a little bit more expensive. We at Microsoft here offer a remote package. We can get started on your computer right away, do a full PC tune-up and optimization, OTR, one-time removal of the virus, as well as do a data recovery. We offer different packages. We offer the year. We offer a lifetime warranty, which is what I recommend. And it is cheaper than taking it into Staples or wherever you need to take it in. And we can get started on it right away. It'll take about 5 hours to get your computer up and running again.
Okay.
I'm just going to run the diagnostics, and hopefully we won't have to do any of that. Hopefully I can fix the problem right away. Remove whatever's on there, or if it's just a settings issue, I can go and do that. Okay, I have established a connection on your computer.
Okay.
Do you see me moving the mouse?
Yeah, I do see that. Oh, that's kind of neat. I never knew you can do stuff like that.
Okay. Hey, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
Give me 1 second here. Okay, I see you have a VMware virtual platform. It's a desktop with a 7 megabyte U8. You're running Windows 10 Professional 64-bit.
Yep.
You have a Komodo antivirus. That's very out of date, sir.
Really?
Unfortunately, it doesn't protect against spyware and malware. It only protects against Trojans and worms.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh, wow. Do you see this number 66 right here?
Yeah, I see that.
That tells me, okay, the normal threshold for a computer is about 20. Okay, clearly you're well above the threshold. This tells me you have a lot of things going on. It also tells me that the virus is currently trying to gain access to any personal information. I'm going to put you under our encrypted network right now, so nothing can happen while you're connected with me. I'm also going to put a filter on which mimics the antivirus which you'll be getting today,
Okay.
if you choose to do so. Okay, watch this. See how slow your computer's running?
Yeah, I see that.
Watch what happens when I put the filter on. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
See how much faster it's running? See how better it's running?
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, I'm going to take the filter off right now. And there it goes. Okay, get out of that. I'm running the diagnostic test right now.
I see that. That's...
I see your Komodo over here.
Yep. So you're Microsoft, you said?
Yes.
Okay.
Generating a reliability report for the diagnostic test right now.
Okay.
Okay, this is pretty bad. Do you see all these X's right here?
Yeah, I see that.
These are critical events that happen in your computer. Do you see this yellow exclamation point?
Yep.
That's an attempt by the virus to gain access to your personal information. Unfortunately, or fortunately, it failed, but that's not to say that it won't eventually develop the pattern and encrypt it, therefore it can lead to people getting access to your personal information. Now, I'm going to give you a quote.
Okay.
Hey, your computer's running pretty slow, sir. Okay, like I said, Staples offers the data recovery for $259.99. It's an additional $100 for the antivirus. Okay, there's also in-store installation fees, and that's a one-year package. So they charge about $375 for the entire one-year package. Now, we offer the data recovery for $150. Okay, we also do the antivirus installation for an additional $100, so that's $250 for the entire package. We can get started on it today, right now. It all depends on what you want to do. They offer $375, we offer $250. That's for 1 year. Now, we do offer a lifetime warranty. Okay, that's a little bit more expensive. It's $400, but it's what I recommend. If you get another computer, it's a free installation on that computer. If you can put it on as many computers as you want, we'll send you a receipt via email, and we'll get started on it as soon as you contact us. It all depends on what you want to do.
Okay. So, alright. Well, I'm trying to think here. So, like, how many people you got in the scam company, like on the pop-up? Because I've called this pop-up 5 times and gotten 5 different companies. You're not Microsoft, you're Omni Tech Support, or Opti Tech Support. You're a scammer. I'm gonna explain to you why you're a scammer. When you told me to go to HH space H, the reason why that said page cannot be displayed, that's normal. That doesn't mean there's any Trojan on this computer at all. You said the Komodo didn't work very well, which works perfectly fine.
I can't even understand you. I can't even understand you. What did you say?
You can understand me perfectly fine. Komodo's working perfectly fine. This is a fresh install of Windows 10. This is a virtual machine. You even said it yourself, VMware. This is a virtual machine. View logs. I recently just scanned the system. You see what I mean? There's nothing wrong with this computer. And then, I love how you went to Task Manager and then you throttled it all the way up to 100% like that. That's kind of, I've seen that scam before, but you did it backwards. 100, you know, your computer's not running good if it's at 100%. It should be lower than 100%. So that was pretty funny. So anyway, I've got your toll-free number provider, which is Wisetel Communications. I've been recording this entire call, audio and video. I'm going to upload it to YouTube here very shortly. Also, I've figured out your fake website as well, which is Opti Tech Support. So this pop-up scam has many numbers attached to it, apparently many fake companies, because I've called it and I've got 3 different companies now, and I've reached you, so...
Who do you work for?
I do this for a living. I expose scammers like you.
To who?
To me, that's who.
You just do it for yourself?
No, I do it for many people so they don't get scammed. I spread awareness.
Okay.
Me and a bunch of other people, we spread awareness against you people. I mean, why are you working for a tech support scammer? I mean, really? Just hung up? Okay. Alright, so I'm actually going to end this video, but what I'm going to do, is I'm going to give this pop-up another call here, because it appears, it even says right there, Microsoft partner, I doubt that. But I'm gonna call this pop-up again, since I keep getting different companies, I'm gonna call this pop-up again and see if I get another company, and see where I get, so. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.